addicted one time to my life. I don't mind what Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing? Hope we are doing okay. Hope we are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Sorry about that. I was actually trying to work on a few things here and there, technically. All right. So good to have you guys. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? What's up? How is your new day? How is your Sunday? Let me hope you are trying so hard to make sure that at least before you enter into the new week, you are well prepared for it, trading wise, right? Okay, it's yoga Lena over here. Let us get into it and we see how everything is going to. Oh dear. Get it. Okay, so how about now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Hi, Morady. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. And definitely sorry for um the interruption today. Was trying to put a few things here and there together, but here I am. Good to have you all, and we are already into our trading. This is a binary options trading, okay, and I'm trading on a pocket option broker. Okay, and my chart is gold OTC market chart, as you can see over there. Alligator indicator is the main indicator that I'm using for my trading. Okay, Don't Peak. Hi, Don't Peak. How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. I still can't learn from your strategy. Ooh, how sad. How sad. That's not one of the feedbacks that I'm always waiting for, because one thing I do, or one thing that I always want to do, is to make sure that at least someone learns a thing or two from what we are always having, or from the sessions that we. Sorry about that. What we are looking at, we are looking at a pure price action. I do not know which strategy you are using yourself. Which strategy are you using? Focus so much on market strategies. Okay. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. Sorry about the network. I've had some technical issues earlier on, but I believe by now we are getting on our feet. Okay, that is Ruth. Hi Ruth, how you doing? Good to have you, good to have you. Trevor is in the building. Okay, Morady. Hope you guys can hear me loud and clear right now. Okay. Baba Tunde, hi, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing great. Good to have you. Sanjay. Ooh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's the end of the week and a beginning of a new week. So why not? Why not? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is Benga. Hi Benga, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good evening, Ma. This is the Benga from Nigeria. Hi, how are you? How is everyone over that side? What's up? What's up? Big up to my Nigerian family over there. The network is bad tonight. I don't know if you have answered my question. My question states that is it possible to go for just one attempt on donation? Yes, my dear, it's very, very possible, very, very okay. All right, you can choose one attempt to five attempts. All right, so within there you can fall anywhere that you would wish to fall. All right, so make your choice and then let Lena work on it. Okay. Yesterday, guys, if you noticed, the market was crazy. Yesterday, the market was crazy. So the very many people that I had to trade for, I had to stop at some point because it was just getting wild and crazy. So I had to stop, and then definitely I am watching the market carefully to see how it is going on today. All right. Okay, so good to have you. Good to have you, Tope. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Good Sunday to you too. My Sunday has been a little busy, as you can see. Sanjay has seen that, but definitely we are here together. All right. Okay, hi, Marady. Hope you're good. Hope you are doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you. Motivational Tales. Hi, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing okay. That is Don Pike. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it looks like today the market is stable. I don't know what I had done to the market yesterday for it to drag me down like that. Okay, that is final. Lex, hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's a new day, a brand new day, and definitely we are clocking into the new week. So, what is your plan for the new week? What do you have prepared in store for it? Because every new week that we get, we should definitely be ready for it. All right, we should definitely be ready for it. So tell me, what is your plan? What are you looking out for? Like I keep telling you, I always the people who want to have their plans, their trading plans, or their targets for weekly. There are those that do monthly, all right? But doing daily can make you go crazy. You see, like yesterday, if I had a target for yesterday, I was just going to go crazy. Like it puts you on pressure. So it's good to monitor the market, trade weekly and monthly. There you can at least manage and look out for your you keep the pressure and all that in check. All right, so what's your plan? What's your plan? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Okay, so I'm seeing perfect deep sleep. Polly, hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Is your girl Lena over here today? The market looks stable actually. It looks stable. My day is actually going on okay. It's going on amazing. How about yours? How is your day? Okay, thank you, perfect deep sleep, Polly. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate the compliments, guys. I really do appreciate the compliments. Thank you for making me feel beautiful, for making me feel sweet. Thank you so much. Okay, that is a pious over there. What's your time frame? Okay, so for the chart, that is 15 seconds for the expiration time, 15 seconds still. The candle, for the candle close, that is 5 seconds. All right, Pius? Hope you have gotten that and hope we are on the same page. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Okay, that's amazing, Pius. So let us proceed with the market over here, watching, observing, taking it slow, but definitely very, very sure about it. Okay. Greetings to everyone who is here, who is watching. Good to have you, good to have you around. Yoga Lena appreciates you so, so much. Thank you for the love. Let us keep it going. We keep getting locked in. All right. Meet me a friend in need. Mhm. Maredi, let me tell you something small as we proceed. Where I come from, all right, or the household where I am. One thing you should know is that if you have or if you are married to a certain lady and people give that lady compliments, do you know what that means? It simply means that you, as the man, you are doing a very, very good job. All right. So, from where I come from, if a lady is appreciated, that simply means that the the husband to that lady is actually doing a very, very good job. That's what it means where I come from. So they appreciate you so much. Okay, so let us proceed. So just know I do not know how you people do it on your end, but anyways, back to what we have in the building over here. What's up? What's up? What are your plans? What are your trading plans? What are you up to? What are you going to do about next week? Because before you dive into it, you need to have a plan. You need to know how you are going to go about it, how you are going to handle the week. All right. Start happy, go happy all the way. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing that is a Fortune. Hi, Fortune, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through, guys. Today, so far, so good. So far, so good. Unless you tell me otherwise, but so far, so good in the market. So, right, come through and tell me what you think about today's market. But on my end, that fluctuations are minimal. All right. So come through. Tell me what you think about the market, and definitely where are you watching me from? Let me send you some love. Let me share with you some love. I know I've seen someone from Nigeria. Then we have Maradi all the way from South Africa. So, guys, how about you? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? I would love to share some love. That is Uche all the way from Nigeria. My guys, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always joining in. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is Sanjay all the way from Sri Lanka. Thank you, my darling. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, Shahan, Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Which three indicators are you using? Tell me. Please tell me. Okay, so first of all, I'm using two indicators. That is the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. Both set at default. All right. I'm using two indicators actually. That is to Shahan. All right. Hope you have gotten that. Okay. Sanjay from Sri Lanka, big up to you. Thank you for coming through. That is Daniel, all the way from Nigeria. Big up, big up, big up. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Prince. Okay, all the way from Nigeria still. All right, that is Shahan, all the way from Pakistan. How are my people of Pakistan? Good to have you, good to have you around. You're most welcome, Shahan from Pakistan. My beautiful people, good to have you, good to have you in the building. Okay. Hi Caesar. Hi Caesar. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Guys, I need to hear your answers. What do you think about today's market? What do you think? What do you think? Let us share. We vibe together, we move together, as definitely we shall be getting into our donations as well, as we shall be seeing over there. Ooh, Angelina. Hi, Angelina. How are you doing? My princess. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Guys, I see the vibe. I see the vibe. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for the love. I love you so much. That is Shahan. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. That is Prince. I'm great. I'm doing amazing. Okay, I'm seeing that is joke. I am official joke. Demo account? No, my dear. No, my dear. No, my dear. Definitely, there would be no way I would come live, all right, to be working on a demo. This is a real account, and I am trading live here from Canada. It's your girl, Lena. Let's go. Okay. Uruguay, that is Caesar. Hi, my Caesar. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, you're all most welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Seeing you and having you around keeps me going. It keeps me growing. It keeps me getting better. So, in return, definitely you have to get better in your trading. You have to be a better trader. So do not hesitate when it is 3 p.m. That is a Canadian time, all right? Make sure that you come through. Let us roll together. Let us move together. We have to analyze this market together and definitely strike together, all right? So good to have you, good to have you. As you see over there, consolidation. Remember, we had something about consolidation and what we mainly look out for. That is the rejection candles, all right? So make sure that at least you are good with that particular point. If you are not yet there and you have not yet gotten it, give it time, give it time, give it time, all right? If we say that I've been in trading for 5 years, it does not mean that at times things don't go south, all right? At times things do not just work out. The market shows you that you know nothing, all right? So take it slow, keep calm, keep analyzing the market, keep being true to yourself. Do not rush to plus into in your trades. Just make sure that you do things, you have a strategy, you have a plan, you know about risk management, all right? So please, 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 no rushing into the market, otherwise the fall will really hurt. Okay. 2002. Okay, Prince is asking. Okay, before Prince, I have Mike over there. What's up, girl? Ooh, beautiful. So those are our two items. Congratulations, Mike. What's up? Big up to yourself, big up to yourself over there. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in. Good to have you join in. It's your girl Lena over here. Let us get into it. Okay. Prince, how can someone get into your mentorship? Definitely, one thing I can tell you about, please like and subscribe such that we get locked in. Okay, like and subscribe. That simply means that we shall always be here together. Then there are some links on in my description. One is the Telegram link is over there. So please subscribe such that at least we can see every information, every piece of knowledge that I keep putting there. You never know, it could add something to yourself, right? So we have a Telegram, then also subscribing to my YouTube channel such that we stay locked in, we stay tuned in, right? That is Fate. Hi Fate, how you doing? Oh, you're asking me to enter with 1 minute time limit. Maybe we shall try that out some other time, but most of the times, most when I am into the donations, I do 15 or 30 seconds, right? So getting to 1 minute, maybe if I am into my personal trading. Then when you see the 1 minute here and then $1 over here, it's because I am trying to actually, after someone has won and I have to transfer their profits to their wallets. And you see that I've put 1 minute and $1. That simply means that I'm trying to buy some time for myself because definitely the wallet has expired. It has expired, so I'm trying to buy some time and fix everything to get to our fit. All right. Okay, beautiful. We are looking at 2000 as our take profit. Sometimes when I think about you, you making me out. How I detect an entry, I have 3 confluences that I always follow, right? That is the market direction. I have to know what direction am I in. Then also that is for an uptrend, a downtrend, and then consolidation, right? Then also I look at the market structure. With the market structure, you are definitely going to look at the higher highs for an uptrend and the higher lows for a downtrend. Over there, as we are moving, you and me know that we are not moving in a straight line. So that's why we are talking about the higher highs and the higher lows. We have pullbacks over there. So you find that when we are in a pullback, when we are in a pullback, we definitely know very well that we are going to, sorry, for someone who knows how to trade at a pullback, you plus in your trades over there. Then For the pullbacks, let me say if we are in a downtrend, mostly in an uptrend, you find that when we are talking about the pullbacks, that is where the previous price is slightly reduced, all right? And then after that particular pullback to a certain amount, and then after that pullback, we are definitely going to push above the previous price. I do not know if you're going to understand that, but maybe we just need an example. So there are people who know how to trade at a pullback. Yes, sometime we went through a pullback, how to trade at a pullback. Then, if you are not a person who trades at a pullback, wait for the continuation. When we are waiting for that continuation, there are certain candles that will form. One, we might have engulfing candles formed, okay? Then there at least you know very well that okay, over here we are going to move up, we are going to continue, all right? Or we also have a series of those same candles formed. You just know that over there definitely we are going to continue in that particular direction that we are having. We also, it also goes and it also applies to a downtrend, all right? So when we talk about the higher highs and the higher lows, or the lower highs and the lower lows, you will focus so much on that previous lower high that pushes the previous lower low. All right. When I talk about the lower lows, definitely you know very well that we are moving in a downtrend. So you focus so much on that the lower high that push the previous lower low to break structure. And when structure is broken, definitely a pullback is going to form. When a pullback forms, you can trade over there if you know how to trade at a pullback. Then for those that trade with a trend, like I normally advise, most of someone who is a beginner, you will definitely wait for the candle formation that show that you are going to have a continuation in that particular trend. Then place in your sell trades over there. Pullbacks could be a bit tricky, but trade where you feel most comfortable. If you are a trend trader, like me most of the times, please wait for that. Wait for the pullback to end and then strike into the market, because there it's actually very, very easy for you to notice that, okay, right now the pullback has come to an end. Let me strike, okay? But in whatever trading you do, whether at a pullback or in a continuation, or okay, in a continuation, make sure you wait for that particular candle that you are looking out for. It could be a doji candle, an engulfing candle, it could be a marabuzo candle, it could be a pin bar, depending, all right? Wait for it to fast close. On the formation of the next candle, that is when you strike, all right? That is when you place in your trade. And in most cases, it will end in a profit if your analysis is very, very okay and very, very clear and a timely entry, okay? So look out for such few things. I do not want to have a lot of things that I'm going to be looking out for. I have I have these, I have that. I chose out just a few things. Those are three. I have to know that direction, market structure, the candlestick pattern, and then what I always add on, that is the indicator. As you see over there, I have the alligator indicator, which actually helps me so much in market identification, momentum, and then also catching some signals on when to enter. It does not give me confirmations, all right? It gives me signals that, okay, over here, let us get ready. We might have an amazing entry over here, all right? So that is what I look out for. All right, so Pius, let me hope I've given you something small to hold on to. Hi, Frankie, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Let us keep it going. We keep it beautiful and amazing. Okay, all right. Okay. We are in a downtrend over here as you can see. Oh dear. All right. Okay, that is beautiful. It slightly frightened me. It slightly frightened me. But actually, we are proceeding, we are continuing in a downtrend over here as you can see. Beautiful structure formed. Let us have it. Okay, we are forming a strong momentum over here. All right. All right. Mm, you, you. Mm. Just two atoms. That is for Isolda. Beautiful name, beautiful name. Like I told you, beautiful momentum over here. We need to get a plus because why not? If you are having a trend, you are in a trend continuation, momentum is good, keep selling, all right? So over here we have closed in a plus. Beautiful, beautiful. That is amazing. That is amazing. So we close in a plus. Yay, yay. Okay, so that is for I sold. Actually, that is my first time having you here. Thank you for sending in your donation. Congratulations. Zado, hi. Zado, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. And I believe in past life, but I see it in school. Oh no. And you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the tub. See many people there outside when they feed man too. Oh no. And me a stand the defender like you said you. That is a quick share. Hi, mom. I have a question. Can you grow $10 to 1,000 US dollars? Speaking from a point of being realistic, it's tricky. It's tricky because $10 there is a lot that happens in between the $10 and the $1,000. I do not know because for someone who is even a pro, it could really give them a hard time. But for someone who is a beginner, $10 to 1,000. uh, it's a bit unrealistic. It needs when you are a master at the market, all right. But definitely, one thing you know is that it becomes tricky. It becomes tricky. Okay, so Prince, I love you, Prince. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, if you have not liked and subscribed yet, do so, do so, do so, do so. Okay. All right. None my business.
It's the kids, baby. Acha tu niwaweke wazi, ubaki na mishangao kuswa ya mapenzi, nataka kuyaeleza na leo tena, waiteni paparazi warushe kwa mitandao, siataki mapenzi, nataka jipongeza. Namwita yo baby, unanayo na baby, mona kipendi, nimshanza kupendi, ama kunitihani, ama nikituni.
Today, people came not to play. Okay, so that is cool share. Yes, it is possible. It is possible, but it's extremely unlikely to do it consistently. Okay, it's not. It's unlikely to do it consistently because definitely you know very well there are losses over there, here and there. Okay, but it's doable. It's doable. Okay. Oh dear. Today is a Sunday. We need to enter into the week with profit. So, dear darling market, let me be, allow me be. Okay, allow me be. Ooh. You find that somewhere, somehow, because we have to keep risking or we have to keep trading the same profits that we keep multiplying the profits that we keep getting. So when we are trading to make 1,000 US dollars with $10, you might find that along the way something might not work out okay and we close in a loss. Okay, that is the truth. That is the truth, because you see over here someone sends in, let me give you an example. Someone here sends in their amount. All right, someone sends in their amount, because the minimum that I get from people to trade for them for the donations, that is 350 US dollars. So if we are talking about $10 to turn $10, because if you see someone sends in 3,500 US dollars, as you see for Mateo right now, and they're requesting me to trade for them 5 atoms. All right, with the 5 attempts, you find that we are closing at 8,000 US dollars. With $10, that simply means there is a lot of trading and there is a lot of risk of actually me blowing it up at a certain point. Okay, but It's doable, though on my end, I started trading for people that is at 3,500. Okay. Hi Pacific, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing all right. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you are okay. All right, that is Riziki. Hi, darling. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Ooh, that is amazing. That is amazing. That is amazing. Good to hear that. It's always good to hear positivity somewhere. Okay, Exotic is in the building. Hi, Exotic. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Pacific is doing fine. That's lovely. That's lovely. Good to hear that. Okay. Okay. I love that. I love that. And as we are entering into the new week, we should be fine, ready to dive into the market. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing okay. Exotic, how have you been? I've missed you. I've taken some days without seeing you join in. Hope you've been okay. Hope you've been all right. Balram, hi, how are you doing? Hope you okay. Hope you are doing amazing. A prince is asking me about my history. Okay. Actually, I have a story that I put out there when I was just starting with my streaming. All right. But to keep it short, as we trade, one thing I can tell you, Prince, is that in the beginning, I did not at all see myself as a trader. I did not see myself as a trader. I have a brother who is a trader, and he encouraged me so much, but I never bought his idea at all, because when we go to school, what we are looking out for is, after here I'm going to get a job. I'm going to get a job. Like, we are moving in that particular. Oh, so sorry about that, Exotic. So sorry about that. I've missed you. We've missed you. But it's good to have you. Good to have you. Love from India. Namaste, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, so Prince, I started feeling okay. It wasn't my brother who brought me into trading. Okay, it was actually my workmates at a certain place where I went to work. I found two male traders, right, who talked so much, a lot of beautiful things about trading. And I gave them an ear. I was like, my brother talks about this, you guys are also talking about it. So I felt like I had to dive into it, see what's up, see what's going on, see what people do, because I had actually refused. I had refused. But in my being stubborn, when I just started learning, I think a few weeks later, a month or two, I thought to myself that I have really learned a lot. And I risked my money, which was $100 that I had on my account. 50 first risk, $50 the next risk. all closed in zero, all closed in losses. So it frustrated me so much. I felt like that was not my thing. But these friends of mine had told me so much that if you learn how to trade, by then I was actually into crypto trading. If you learn how to trade, these things of looking for jobs here and there will be no more, all right? You become financially independent. Ooh, that word alone, that word alone brought me back. And when I blew up my first account, of course, I did not know about risk management and all that. I was just trading, all right? So I blew up my account the first time, then the second time, as I was trying to believe that now I've learned from my mistakes, yet I had not. I had actually not at all. So I blew my account the second time. I was like, nah, I can't be here. This is not for me. This is for men. A lady like me, not for me. But whenever I kept on remembering about being financially free, I was like, I have to go back. I have to go back. So that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Being financially free, I love being there, having something on me at whatever cost, at whatever time. I love being there, having something on me. All right. So that is one of the things that actually motivated me so much to stay neat. So at my workplace, definitely I made those amazing friends. So up to now, they're like brothers to me in trading, right? We became so close. When you are a trader and you have friends who are fellow traders, life becomes quite very, very easy. Okay, so for Kushil, as you see over there, this person requested for 5 atoms, that is Matea, and we have closed in a plus, okay? We have closed in a plus over there. So you take it one step at a time, one step at a time. But with $10, meaning you have to keep risking something small, and you will take a little time for you to get to the 1,000 US dollars that you hope to get to. But it's possible. It's possible. Though, like I told you, it's extremely unlikely to do it consistently. It's unlikely. Okay. Um, so whenever I am in moods maybe of drink ups, maybe going out and all that. I have those friends of mine. You know, when you are hanging out with people who do the same thing as you share a lot. You share a lot. One thing I would advise you is that if you are to become great traders, if you are to become better with yourself, you cannot be in trading and then you are dealing with someone. Let me give an example, a farmer, those are the friends that you keep around, or a doctor or something of the sort, someone who does not know anything about what you do. You're going to be discouraged. You're going to be told a number of things that is a scam. That is, so you will also feel like it's not worth it. More so, if you make losses, you will be like, so and so told me to let it be. So actually, I'm making a mistake over here. All right. But bring close people to yourself that are doing or are learning what you are actually learning. Things become way easy for you as a trader. All right. Those are the small piece of advice that I can give you And those are the things that kept me going, kept me learning. You keep around people. First of all, you have people who know more than you do. Keep around such people. They will always keep uplifting you, even when you feel like you have made a terrible loss. My brother is a long term trader, right? He is those investors, he's those long term traders. So there are times when he makes those very big losses. So actually, he has a wife who is not a trader. So for her, she does not know what it means for him to make those big losses. She does not know how to comfort the husband when such happen. But if, for example, if they were both traders, or if she had knowledge, actually the husband forced so much trading on her, but she's so strong that up to now she has failed to even give it a try. So what I'm saying is that if you have someone who is in the same line of what you're doing, life becomes easier because you know where to run to when you feel like you want to give up. Okay, so make sure that at least you have such people. But for you people over here, you have me. I'm your first person that you have. So do not worry. I got you. I got you. Whenever you feel down, come through. Let us talk about it. Let us discuss about it such that we put ourselves in the moods of trading again. All right. You feel me? Okay. Mhm. Ooh. Where are you going? What are you doing to me? Today we are here to milk the market, so I do not want to see losses anywhere. Sorry about that. That did not turn out the way we had anticipated. What we anticipated as a pullback, it has actually turned against us. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Hi Daniel, how you doing? Hope you are doing all right. Good to have you. Good to have you, John Baker. Hi John Baker, how are you? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Richard, hi Richard. What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, just imagine, my experience is different from Daniel's. It's different from Mike's. It's different from Maredy's. It's different from everyone else's. If we could come here and share, for someone who is just a learner, who is just beginning, it becomes an inspiration to them, all right? It becomes something that they would actually want to, something that they would actually, if they hear what Lina has to say, what Daniel has to say, what Mike has to say, we keep sharing our different experiences. They also get motivated, all right? So I don't know, but maybe someday we could have that particular session where people are sharing. Sometime we had it here and it was amazing. It was so beautiful. Like people, I believe that day people learned a lot. Where because my experience can never be the same as your experience. We all face or we all learn differently, and what strikes us down is different from what strikes the other person down, all right? So us learning, us encouraging each other, someone will give you their experience and then they will be like, but this is how I went through it, this is how I managed to actually become a pro in my trading. Okay, even if it's a word or two, being consistent, being disciplined, being patient, emotionally, of course, protecting your emotions, it all helps and it all counts. All right, so I feel like someday we should have it again and we see. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is for mystic, and we are taking it for 4 atoms. My baby boom. Jojo, hi, how you doing? It has been a minute. What's up, what's up, what's up? How have you been? How are you doing? I'll be running to you. I'll be running. I'll be running to you. Running to you. Running to you. I'm running to you, running. Okay. Let us get into our second attempt.
She wants a gangster in a bed tonight. She wants me, I know. And when I fool on me, I did tonight. She
No, that is for Prince. Actually, never paid for it. I never did so. I actually think that's why when I come over here, I want to share the knowledge willingly because I did not pay for it. You get, I did not pay for it. I was guided well, just that most of the times I had a big head and I would rush into doing things even when I'm still raw, right? But I did not. And I'm thinking those very many losses that I kept on making were the prices that I was maybe paying. You never know. You never know. That's just a joke anyways. That's just a joke. Okay, so I never paid for that. And to be true, the time I actually started believing that I'm getting somewhere and started making profits, after 1 year, I started seeing something because I was not consistent. I started seeing something, so whenever I would make a little profit, I would be so happy, I would be so excited. Then you find that the next 1 month, 2 months, I'm making losses. You get, so you're like, but last time, how did I do it? Let me get back to the drawing board. It's not easy, more so if you're not consistent. So I could say clearly 2 years. 2 years. That's when I started seeing things unfold. I had mastered, I had gotten the skill, I had acquired the skill. So that is when I started seeing, but you find that even when you think that you have gotten it, it strikes you back down. You get back to zero, and then you're like, no, not again, not again. So if you are trading and so sorry about that. So one thing I can tell you is that being consistent, very, very important. Very, very important. So you have to make sure that you do things, not doing today and then after 1 month you come back. If you come back after 1 month, you will look like you have not actually done anything and you do not know anything about trading, right? So being consistent in your trading, and then also knowing what strategy works best for you, very, very important. Okay. All right. John Baker, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me? Okay, so guys, today is bright. Today is bright. There's only empty rain. Go up high and high skies clear. Okay, Amira. Hi, Amira. How are you doing? If you make more practice, I think, with the market structure, and again, definitely, definitely. That's what. Thank you very much, Amira. Thank you so much. That is the one thing that I was telling people here. I look out for a few confluencers in my strategy, and I make sure that I focus so much on them. So I am requesting that for the people that I am not dictating, but for the people that are found using my strategy, right? I am requesting you focus so much on market structure, candlestick patterns. Focus on those things because identifying the direction could be very easy, I should say. Because if we are up, we are in an uptrend, we are down, we are in a downtrend, all right? We are in a ranging state. Definitely, you know that is consolidation. So no, take time and understand. Beautiful. So, up over there, as you can see, make sure to understand market structure. Very, very important. And when we are having the higher highs and the higher lows over there, when we are in an uptrend, we have broken structure. You should know that we are going to anticipate pullbacks. Okay, we anticipate pullbacks. So for the people that know how to trade over there, strike and make make sure that you strike and make your money out of it. Do not waste time. For the people that trade in trend trading, please also strike and make sure that you make the money from there. All right. So in any way, we are here to make money. Okay. All right. Be patient for more sniper entries. Beautiful. Thank you, Amirami. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Godwin. How you do? Ooh. Okay. Why are you turning against me? Today I came to make money over here. Do not interrupt me. Do not drag me behind. Oof. That has dragged me down. Sorry about that. Okay, hi Godwin. Godwin is in the building. Hi Godwin, how are you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, I was laughing with you. Really, really. Let me tell you. That's why if we are to sit down and talk about our trading journey, people will think other people are crazy, but those things are actually happening. We are already matching with that is John Baker over there. I'm telling you, some of us can be or can choose to be very, very stubborn. Of course. Godwin, ooh, today is our day to go higher. I hear you. I hear you, Godwin. We are shining. We are shining. I'm doing good. I'm doing amazing. How about you? How is your Sunday going? Excuse me. Excuse me. This guy is okay. Okay, just one more to go. Oh, okay. I get you. I get you, Amiram. I get you, my dear. Thank you for that. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you for the piece of advice. Thank you so much. Oh, that's what you were saying over here. Something false signal, then you lose. Okay. Yes, my dear. I get you. I get you, and you are very, very right. I think actually that's why most of the times I focus so much on this first indicator, but I will try out the sorry. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Somebody's in love. Why is that? Yes, I'm in love.
That is Brad. We have closed in a law, so no.
right. I cannot be satisfied. I just wanna hold you tight and feel alright. Yeah, I no regret. Even though every day we dey fight, girl, I still adore you. I still adore you.
Okay, but let us keep on our feet.
Since I set my eyes on you, and you let me out. You pick me out, and you let me out.
Forever,
Anyhow, way you let me give me,
we can stay together. Forever,
all of this word of free.
forever, forever.
Anyhow, way you let me give me, we can stay together. Forever, stay together, fight together. Don't let me realize it. God make you special for me. And even you know I said, my love for you is so real. You're not even real. You are the captain of the ship. Baby, when you are someone me, I love to be. All the promises, yes, we are keep. The ringing on your finger, my love is not cheap.
Hi Samuel. Hi Samuel. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? What's up? What is new over there? How is your Sunday going? How is everything over that side? Official. That is Icon G. Yes, my dear, that was so unfortunate for us. So unfortunate. But we keep going. Official Prime Motivation. Hey, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. That is okay. I can't really say that name. But good to have you, good to have you. Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. How about you? Okay, so that is our first attempt. Just taking it for 2 attempts.
I know you. I still know you.
I appreciate.
Since I set my eyes on you, and you let me out. You pick me out, and you let me out.
Okay, so that was two items, and we have closed in a plus. Congratulations. Forever, we're together. Forever, we can live together. Forever, forever.
Somebody's in love. Stay together, fight together. Charlie. My girl come flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Girl, wind up on my party, girl. Why like it's a carnival?
Okay, 3 items.
You wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my party, girl. Me while you come wind your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal.
Okay, that is our first attempt. We have 2 more to go.
1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back with more. She take off the shoes on the dance floor. Then she start to broke out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know what she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful.
Okay, the second attempt. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. One more to go. That was a wrong move. Oh, we had moved so well, but in our last attempt, we have closed in our loss. Caravanse, 5 attempts. Okay. Okay, 2 more items to go. Hi, Brian. How you doing? Hola, hola, hola. What's up? What's up?
She said she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bedroom. She don't got no table. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, no. Look, I'm the plug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and hold the door for her.
No, 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 no.
She don't get with me.
No, I do not speak Spanish.
I'm the one,
Just one more to go. Yes, I have Instagram. Please check in my. Oh, sorry. I do. I do not know, but I keep the fact that, anyways, Instagram is my personal. But I have Telegram. Yes, I'm on Telegram. The link is in my description over there. Just one more attempt to go, and we are going to close in our plus. Look at that. All right. That is for Kerevanze. Congratulations. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. I am the one. I am the one.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try so hard. You know you want me. So don't keep saying our hearts tight. You claim it's not in the cards and
Okay, no worries. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is John Baker. Thank you so much. Every single day, keep coming through. Let us trade together, because you find that today I talk about this, tomorrow I talk about the other. Just make sure that you are locked in. Subscribe, like and subscribe. Let us keep it together. Okay, so those three will be my last ones for the donations. Okay. Well, imperialists. Okay. Beautiful. Just one more to go for White Taker. Rewrite the stars. Oh no. Okay. It's still on the survivor's line. Let's see. Rewrite the storm. I'm telling you, it was close. It was close. Rewrite the storm. Oh no. Oh no. You cannot leave me at that point. You can't. What's up with you? Oh dear. Oh, I definitely thought I was going to strike with a plus, but it has gotten back to me. I was unlucky. Okay, so let's see Vint. 2 attempts just. My God. Don't stress your mind, we coming up tonight. In the morning. We coming up tonight. We got a ticket that takes us wherever we like. We got our problems, but just for the minute, let's push all our troubles aside. Alright. SLN Designer Line. What kind of strategy you are using? I'm using a pure price action. That is my strategy. Yeah, come. We coming up tonight. In the morning. We coming up tonight. In the morning. We coming up tonight. Mama. We coming up tonight. Some days I really wanna hate you. 'Cause you always know just what to say. I know the ways to break you. And you know what breaks me. When things get heated, we say things we don't mean it. Though we know they ain't true. Say you're Get careless with our feelings. Somebody like you. Okay, so we have definitely closed in a plus. Congratulations. Somebody like you. So we are looking at a take profit of 2,500. Somebody like you.
You were looking at me like you wanted to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no game. I see ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really need to know. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the love won't change us. Maybe we stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the love won't change us. Maybe we stay together.
Okay, 2,500 is what we are looking at. Why? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so guys, today's session has been an amazing one. You guys have been so active. You have really you guys have really participated so much. I appreciate you so much. Okay, that is SLN designer. I will definitely let you know about that. Frankie MacD 12. I want to know. MacD is actually set at default, right? It's set at default. We have a 12, 26, and 9. That is what we have for its default settings. SLN, I've responded to you. Elma, hi Elma, how are you doing? Good to have you, good to have you. Okay, so guys, okay, I need to end with my donations in a plus. All right, look at that. Oh, oh. The excitement was up in the air. What's this? What's this really? Congratulations, congratulations. Okay, so that is it with my donations and with my session. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for making it a point to come through to join in. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe. All right, let us keep it going. We keep it growing. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let us start our week in a winning way. So tomorrow is a Monday. I would love to see you guys here in big numbers. All right. So that is it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. You can let you love me. You can let you love me. You can let you love me. You're welcome, darling. Which can let you love me now? I wish I